launched for its first test flight, but SpaceX's Starship rocket bursts in midair. On April 20, Thursday, SpaceX's Starship, the most potent rocket ever built, launched from a launch pad in South Texas but burst into flames before stage separation. The vehicle made its historic debut flight on Thursday. As if the flight test wasn't thrilling enough, Starship underwent a quick, unforeseen disassembly prior to stage separation, according to a tweet from SpaceX. The enormous Super Heavy rocket booster, which has 33 engines, launched with a huge boom that reverberated throughout the coastal landscape. Riding atop the launcher, the Starship spaceship soared over the Gulf of Mexico. The Super Heavy rocket booster was planned to use up the most of its fuel around 212 minutes after launch, separate from the Starship spaceship, and then be dumped into the ocean. The Starship was designed to accelerate to nearly orbital speeds using only its own engines, which were set to run for more than 6 minutes.
Consequences of this failure are minor, but the benefit is major because of everything that they learned. It's the same process that SpaceX followed when we tried to figure out how to land our Falcon 9 rocket on the ship at sea or back on land and be able to reuse it. We had nothing to lose because
according to SpaceX, the explosion happened roughly 4 minutes after takeoff and the flight reached its greatest point at a height of 24.2 miles, 39 kilometers above the planet. According to a SpaceX update, the vehicle experienced multiple engine failures during the flight test, lost altitude, and started to tumble. Both the booster and the spacecraft received a command to activate the flight termination system. Teams will continue to examine data and work, according to SpaceX.